Hello human bodies, welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. In today's video, I have brought you an amazing and powerful hair masking technique for you. So let's begin the video. First open Photoshop and import the photo. This technique will going to work later version of Photoshop CS6. As you can see, the subject has some messy hairs. We are going to remove the background without cutting any single piece of hair. First, create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl and J button on your keyboard. Select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Make selection on subject. Remove unwanted selections by press and hold Alt button on your keyboard. Do not make selections on light hair. I'm removing selections from hair's edge. You might also do the same thing. Work with patiently. Don't be impatient. Selection has been created. Now click on Refine Edge. I'm changing the view to overlay mode. Select the Refine Edge brush tool from the window. Now sample color of subject hair and brush find out hair edge. Brush one more time for perfect hair masking. Select Output to Selection. Click OK button. I think I have missed some hairs in right side. Now the selections are on the subject. Press Ctrl Shift and I button to invert the selection. Now the selections are inverted to the background. So press Delete button to remove the background. The background is removed properly. I'm creating a solid color adjustment layer to see the image clearly. As you can see, this is a most accurate and powerful hair masking tutorial video ever. I hope you understand. Please consider to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.